strength of an organization comes from its stories and traditions, but the future of an organization rests in its relevance and innovations. And I think it is an opportunity now for us to respond to the changes that we're experiencing.
The younger generations, they don't have a back in the day. This is their day. For a child born today, they will not know a world without artificial intelligence. And our world today looks, or certainly feels, a little bit more like this, whereby there's lots of different changes happening, and they're happening at the same time. And as leaders, we have to be ahead of those changes and be responsive to those changes. We want simple, we want immediate, we want relevant and personal. People are looking to you to lead them through these times of change.
Leaders who can maximize the potential and the strengths of each generation are really going to help their organizations to thrive.
We have to understand the world around us and understand the next generation of consumers coming through, that we can be responsive to change and not fatigued or apathetic or overwhelmed by it. The future is absolutely going to be more of an integration of humans and human work and human thoughts with artificial intelligence. Today we're in an era of greater personalization, and we believe tomorrow it will be more personalized and customized through the use of predictive analytics. The world's changed so much. We often say we're not moving to the next but the new, and it's not a continuation of how things work, almost the start of a whole new reality with regards to so many aspects and spheres of life and business.
It's almost as if we are filtering the current through the technological lens. This is the world that we live in. And in this high turnover job mobility, organisations that have that sense of purpose and can communicate that well to inspire teams serve to not only attract great talent but retain it as well. Because many young people leave jobs not because there is a compelling reason to leave, but because there is no compelling reason to stay. AI accelerating digital integration, accelerating trust in brands and organisations remains important to all generations. What's non-negotiable for us, but how can we tweak things so that we do remain relevant? The younger employee replied and said, "No, I'm so sorry, I can't fax because of where I live." And the older employee thought, "Well, where do you live?" And the younger employee replied, "The 21st century." To refocus rather than just resume, and to reimagine the new rather than rebuild the old and the way that we always did things. And thriving organisations and thriving leaders have got to hold, I think, the tension of those things, of working out what is timeless and what has worked well, but also innovating for the future.